Yes, hello guys. Hello guys. Me Gautam Singh again here, and in this tutorial we are going to describe about the control statement, in which we are going to deal about the if else, if else if and nested if loop. Okay. So firstly, without delay, we are going to see the if statement, control statement. So let's see. If there is only, so program is we are running the program on the online C compiler. Okay, so here the header file, this is the header file, and over there this is main function and int marks, right? Enter the marks. Okay, by using the scanner we can enter the marks by the user. Okay, if marks is greater than or equal to 60, then a student passes first division. I'm printing over here, and the rest line I comment here, rest line is commented here. So let's see, let's run this program. So if there is one condition, only if marks is greater than equal to 60, then a student pass, and rest line is comment here, otherwise return nothing. If there is only one condition, then in that case return nothing. If the condition is true, then that will print the its next line, otherwise return nothing. So here we can see that enter marks. So execute this one and see the result. So now enter the marks. Suppose I enter just 60. Okay, so the student passed here, and with the first division. Okay, this message. But in case if we are enter the marks which is less than 60, in that case what we are getting here? So nothing. Why nothing? Because there is only one condition. So if is only used for one condition, if condition is true, then it return the given statement, otherwise return nothing. Okay, so the second case is if and else. If I do this, okay, so now if else fail. So here the two conditions. One condition is if marks is greater than 60, then first division, otherwise fail. So here is the two conditions, either pass or fail. So let's run this program and provide the number less than 60. Suppose I enter 55 here. In that case we are getting fail. Why fail? Because the condition is not fulfilled. Whatever inside the if loop, in that conditions the second else is fail. So this is the if else, right? Now we are going to if else if there is more than two conditions. In that case we takes if else if how many conditions can be used in this case. Okay, so let's remove the all comments from this line. Okay, so see here, this is for enter the marks, this is for the first division. If marks is greater than 60, then first division, and if marks is greater than 45 but less than 60, in that case there is a second division. And for third division, if marks is greater than 30 but less than 45, in that case third division. Okay, so let's run the code. So enter the marks, and I enter here 33. Okay, so run this one and see third division. We can see if marks is greater than 30 or equal to 30 but less than 45, it comes in the third division. It's good. Second chance, we can for the second division. Suppose I enter 46 marks. The condition is for 45, greater than 45 and less than 60. In that case, what would be our output? It should be second division. So let's execute and see the result. And now it's second division. So our all purpose is working over here, putting over here. The last one is the nested if. Nested if means that if inside if. Okay, so just start here one more if loop. If marks is greater equal to 95, in that case what have to print? In that case print some message, excellent. Excellent, right? So what is this? So this is the inner if loop. So first of all, this loop would be execute on these conditions. It is required that if marks is greater than 60, in that case this is the nested if would be true, because if greater than 60, in that case it will go to check the marks is greater than 35 95 or not. So let's run this nested if. Why nested? Because if loop inside the if, that is called nested if loop, means condition inside the condition, that is called nested. So let's see the result, what is gain or what is output here, and enter the mark. Suppose I enter 95, right? In that case we are getting what? Excellent and a student pass. So just write here /n to change the line, /n. Okay, /n. Now run, and I enter here 95. Okay, so excellent and first division, yes, it's right, because if marks is greater than 60, then comes in this loop, second if loop, and firstly this loop would be executed. It is the inner loop. Firstly inner loop, like in board mass, first the round bracket, then curly, then outer bracket, that is the bracket, right? So firstly the inner loop would be executed, then after the outer. So I hope you will gain something from here. One time more I want to revise that if is only for one condition, if else is used to two conditions, either if or else, and if else if is used for more than two conditions, and nested if for condition inside conditions. So thank you, enjoy, and